making a strong pitch about his government's commitment towards maintaining religious harmony in the country. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said that he will not allow fringe elements to disrupt and break the communal fabric of India. Speaking at an event to commemorate 2 Christian saints, Modi finally broke his silence on the issue, stating that his government will ensure complete freedom of faith in the country and no group can succeed in inciting hatred against any particular community. Modi's comments come in the backdrop of a sharp rise in incidents of church vandalism in the past 2 to 3 months, and it also follows the huge political drubbing that the BJP did receive at the hands of the electorate here in the recently concluded elections of Delhi. Let's listen into Prime Minister Modi as he breaks his silence on that very delicate topic of religious intolerance.
My government will ensure that there is complete freedom of faith and that everyone has the undeniable right to retain or adopt the religion of his or her choice without coercion or undue influence. My government will not allow any religious group belonging to the majority or the minority to incite hatred against others overtly or covertly.
When the nation, the leader of the nation, when the Prime Minister assures, what more is needed? There may be some difference in any party, it is like that. In Congress also, if the leader says something, there may be some difference. No, you ignore those fringe elements. You listen to the Prime Minister and stick to what he says. I have no doubt he will be able to implement what he says. I have no doubt.
There's a huge gap between the Prime Minister's rhetoric and what is happening on the ground. Over the past 8 months, you've seen an increase in religious violence. You've seen religious freedoms being circumscribed. You've seen an atmosphere of hate and intolerance being created. So therefore, merely by rhetorically affirming your commitment to the Hague Declaration or the Human Rights Covenant does not change the situation on the ground.
At least from what the Prime Minister has said, we can be sure that the Christian community is fully assured that we are not in any way going to face any kind of threats or dangers or risks, but then we are fully part and parcel of the nation as Christians.
उनके इस बयान का स्वागत करता हूं और दूसरी बात यह है कि देर आए दुरुस्त आए। ये काम प्रधानमंत्री जी को जिस वक्त में ये इसकी शुरुआत ही हुई थी तभी अगर इस आवाज को अपनी फैला देते तो शायद आज इस देश में ओबामा जी को आकर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डे पर हमें नसीहत देने की शायद जरूरत ना पड़ती।
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/etnow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at etnowlive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/etnow.